If you're a long way from home, can't sleep at all, you know there's another mule kicking in your stall. That's evil. Evil's going all wrong. I am warning you, brothers, baby, that evil's coming home. If you're a long way from the car, can't sleep at all, you know there's another mule just playing your back door lawn. That's evil. Evil all around. I am warning you, brother, there's something evil going on. Heart man. Slow. Have the first thing spoken, cause you know there's evil going on. It's evil. Evil's going on wrong. You better watch your happy home, cause he's coming in that back door. If you make it to your house, knock on the front door, run around to the back, you'll catch him just before he goes. It's evil. Evil's all around home. I am warning you, brothers, you better watch your happy home.